I just wanted to share progress with the drizzle experiment. So let me drag this over here and show you my screen. Okay, so let's see. This right here is drizzle. And you'll notice that it gives me this account information pretty nicely. And I have now an ethcan control here too that's touching the ethcan contract along with the three other controls from before that are still touching their contracts. So uh, what I was able to figure out is, let's see, what do I explain? So basically I created my own ethcan control right here. It talks to my create project function and my ethcan contract. So I took my ethcan contract and I ported it over here to my drizzle test project. And I guess I just wanted to show off that this control is working. Let's see. To create a project, it requires just a token symbol. So I'll show you that, I guess. Here is create project. And create project just requires a string for token symbol. One of the things create project does is it updates this project count. And a project count is a public integer that, well, I guess this front end is hooked up to. So here I'm saying here's the project count, and for method I'm telling it to take the project count. That's Jesus Christ. All right, so this project count is the same thing as, oh sorry, this project count. This thing, hey, keep reading this thing, whatever this changes to. And this is actually changed every time create project is changed, the project count goes up by 1. And so here this is a form. We use this contract data control and this contract form control. This goes on create project function. This goes on the project count public variable. Both contract data and contract form, again, are taken from these Drizzle React components. And to give you an idea of how they work, here's account data. And account data is responsible for what you see on the UI over here. This right here comes out because of the account data control. All right, so without further ado, let's try submitting. All right. Well, you saw how there was like a little loading symbol here, but then it went away. So I'm wondering if I all right, now project count is 2. So it doesn't work great. And I guess real quick I'll show you how all these other ones are pretty simple too. Here you have this single device data and these 2 strings. And in the contract code, the complex storage contract, there's a single DD, which is assigned this device 3, and then there's these other public string 1, public string 2. So these 2 public data pieces of data and this piece of data is what you're seeing in that complex component. Here it is, that's string 1, string 2, and string DDD. And that is what creates all of this stuff right here. So it seems as though that what Drizzle is offering me is being able to easily create an input form to call my functions, and then it will read anything that is public. What would be really nice is if I could get it to read events, and that way when I call a function, it sets an event. My Drizzle will read that easily and keep a log of that somewhere. So I guess that's what I'm on the hunt for next. Yeah, stay tuned.